In this video, I'm going to discuss the trial version of GeoStrings, which is available as a free download in the app catalog. GeoStrings lets you set location-based reminders using your Palm Pre or Palm Pixie. The trial version is completely identical to the full version of the app in every way. Everything you can do in the full version, you can also do in the trial version. So it'll allow you to try out the app and see how it can be useful to you in your everyday life. The trial version for people in the US expires 10 days after the first time you run the app. For people outside of the United States, the trial version has been extended to 45 days. The reason being is currently people outside of the US do not have access to paid apps in the app catalog. Palm has announced that European countries will get access to these apps, including GeoStrings, in March. So 45 days will give people outside of the US the opportunity to use the app until April, when hopefully the full version of the app will be available for purchase. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find an upgrade button, which periodically will display the amount of time left in the trial. After trying the app, if you find it useful and would like to upgrade to the full version, which of course has no expiration, you can tap this button to display an upgrade screen. You can also access the upgrade screen via this menu selection in the app menu. Also, when the app does expire, a pop-up will be displayed when you run the app that will present an upgrade option to you. You'll notice that I've been using the trial version and have a few GeoStrings saved, as well as some locations and location groups. And I have selected some preferences to suit my needs. So I've changed the units of distance to kilometers. I've changed some of the snooze times that appear on the alert pop-up. I've also assigned a custom alert for my alarm sound. Wouldn't it be nice if I could transfer all of this data to the full version after purchasing it? Well, luckily there is, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. In 3 easy steps, you can upgrade to the full version and transfer all of your saved data and preferences over to the full version of the app. The first step is to tap this button, which will display the full version of the app in the app catalog. The emulator I'm recording right now does not have the app catalog installed on it, so it won't come up on here. However, on your actual device, it will display that app catalog page. And at the bottom of that page, there will be a download button, which will allow you to purchase the app and install it on your device. Once you install it, you can tap this button to transfer all of your saved GeoString reminders, locations, location groups, and preferences over to the full version of the app. To demonstrate this, let me run the full version right now, which I just installed on the device. Okay, and you'll notice that I don't have any GeoStrings saved on here. I don't have any history, location history. I don't have any location groups. And the preferences are all the default settings on here. So let me go ahead and close that. And let me tap the transfer button. And in a few seconds, all the data has been transferred over successfully. And on your device, the speed of the transfer is really going to be dependent upon how many GeoStrings you've saved and how many locations you saved while using the trial version of the app. But really, it's going to be pretty quick. So let me go ahead and close this. Let me reopen the full version of GeoStrings and verify that everything got transferred over. And there are all of my GeoStrings, my favorite locations, my history, and my location groups. And let me check my preferences. And I'm still set for kilometers. I have all my snooze times set, and I have my custom alert set. So everything got transferred over in one quick, easy step. And step 3, to complete the upgrade process, is simply to close the trial app and delete it from your device. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And now all I'm left with is the full version. So in the video description, you'll find a link to the GeoStrings trial app. Give it a go and see for yourself how GeoStrings can make remembering all the little things in life just a little bit easier.